Hi, Seth here from Gateway Bronco. Today we're going to talk about one of our trade-in vehicles available now. This is a vehicle that I would describe with two phrases. The first being attention to detail, the second being show quality. This is a true museum quality piece built by Always Hot Rods out of Phoenix, Arizona. I was able to see this Bronco about 5 years ago in the Always Hot Rod shop. It had an immaculate look, attention to detail that I had not seen in the Bronco industry before, and continues with that immaculate condition today. This vehicle has thousands and thousands of man-hours invested, creating a custom vehicle from front to back, inside and out. Now, this vehicle reportedly has $350,000 invested by the original owner to create this unique look. It's a race-inspired, Baja-inspired look. Some people may even say Hot Wheels look. As we take a look under the hood, we'll see that this downdraft fuel injection is the first thing we notice. On a small block Ford, it produces tremendous power, great sound, and that reliability we all expect out of a modern fuel injection system. The smaller details like the prop rod, the fasteners, everything is built with an attention to detail that's just not seen in the Bronco industry. You also start to see the Baja-inspired design. These shock absorbers coming up through the engine bay with king coilover shocks on all four corners. Transferring our way down to the undercarriage, you'll find that this is Baja-inspired, but also plated for every part, powder coated, and in immaculate condition, show quality condition inside and out. Going to the interior, we'll find that the coachwork is wall-to-wall leather and suede. The attention to detail for every stitch is evident, and sitting in the driver's seat, it's difficult to imagine how anyone would be disappointed with every click, every touch point, and the plating throughout. Now, this is just one of many examples that we have as trade-ins available now. If you'd like more information about this Bronco or any of the others we have available, please give me a call.